Menteri Berikmi Ekatanat Social Welfare ke Sarkar Jela uba Paul Lyngdoh ula pentipaj ba halor kajing ya cekmat kajing penkrep bantung Chairperson batamai haka Meghalaya State Women's Commission da ka baong yang menta kajing khot yaki bakwa rong ha ketika kam kala ya cekmat ba an la ban pendap haswa ban kot ukula lengkot arja arpusau ula ong ba kajing penjalan yaki por jing khot yaki bakwa ban rong ha ketika kerdan kalong ban ai lat wat yaki baklam wat da ka search committee ru.
By end of January, the entire process will be closed. Now we have opened the doors to even individuals who have not been named by the search committee, so that nobody would feel that they have been denied of an opportunity to. We feel that, in fact, it was made. We were made aware by certain individuals that they also, in fact, they consider themselves to be, quite fit to hold the post, but they were not named by the search committee. So we thought, in all fairness, let's open the door for everybody, and then government will take a call based on recommendations of the search committee as well as individual applications.
And in that case, how many names we are looking for?
No, we have set a deadline. I think it was somewhere 20th of January or so, as and when we sit for a review. By the first week of February, we should be in a position to then select the chairperson.